Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Practicing a little social distancing today by being out in the woods. So today's lunch, Canteen Cup Cooking. It's going to be a cheap one. It's going to be chicken noodle soup and a can of chicken. So the soup mix was about $1, I want to say either $1.09 or $1.19, and then the chicken was $1. It was on sale from Kroger. So I'm looking at what, $1.40, give or take. And these take 3 cups of water, so that surprised me about the amount of water, but that's going to make a lot of soup. And it's a bit of a chilly day, so soup will hit the spot. Just like the hot chocolate and coffee hot chocolate. This one has little mini marshmallows in it. I didn't realize it had marshmallows when I got it, but it's okay. It still tastes good. And then I also have some MRE crackers I'm gonna crush up and put in the soup when while I'm eating it. So I already got my water on, as you saw. As soon as it gets up to, I don't really think it really needs to boil. It just has to get hot. I'm gonna crack open this can here because I didn't bring a P38 and I didn't bring a can opener. So should be interesting. Let's get to it. Put the chicken in there with all the water too, because you know that's flavor. I kind of did a crude job on the can. I just went around it with a knife, but hey, whatever works. There we go. Alright. I wasn't paying attention. I didn't notice it was at a rolling boil. But it looks done. So all you're really doing is rehydrating those noodles. So. And they look to be rehydrated. Sweet. Let that sit for a moment while I tend to my fire. Ah, you jerk. Remembered my tongs this time. There we go. Sweet. Alright. Alrighty. I got my MRE crackers, which I'm going to go ahead and smash up before I even open it. Which is ironic because usually they're broken anyway when I open them. Now, so I think there are 2 types of people. You have your dippers and you have your pourers. Me, I pour. Kind of stuck on the bottom. There we go. There we have it. I was just reminded of that Seinfeld episode when they were talking about soup. You know, if you add crackers to a soup, does that make it a meal? I don't know why I just randomly thought of that, but yeah. That is one full canteen of soup. See if I burn myself or not. Oh yeah. You know, what I could have done too, I could have brought out a carrot, diced it up. Actually, I've got some dehydrated carrots. That would have been good. I didn't think about that until now. But you could have brought over, you know, you could have brought out like extra vegetable or leftover vegetables from like the night before and just poured it in there. You're just reheating them. Big bite of chicken. I mean, technically, you could have cooked chicken up too, and just. I could have cooked it on that little grill I brought, little steamer rack. What did I say? $1.40. You know. It's just an example that you don't have to come out here and spend, you know, $8 to $10 per meal to come out here and enjoy the outdoors. I mean, I've got a decent meal that I'm going to enjoy. Yeah, there's sodium, but you know, I'm not really that worried about my sodium because I don't really add a lot of extra salt in my meals anyway. But if you know, I know they have low sodium options. And it tastes decent, you know. It tastes good for the money that I spent. I mean, it's not gourmet and it's not a steak, but still, it's, you know, it'll fill my belly. Puts a hot meal inside me. And if it was a colder day, that would really hit the spot. And you can always add things to it too. So, sky's the limit. More crackers would have been nice, but, you know, that's alright. I could have also cracked in half a top ramen, poured it and put it in there. Top ramen would have only been another, what, 33 cents, so you save the salt packet for later. Sky's the limit, man. Good times. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.